Tell him to sit and tell him to get away from your... There you go. Put your hands down. No. Okay.
No, sit. Sit. Sit.
You're not... Okay, give him the treat. Okay, that's good. Stand back up. Oh, you're going to try and get him to roll over? Yeah, tell him roll the whole time so he knows what he's supposed to be doing. Slow. Remember, slow movements. You're going too fast for him.
Sit. Sit. Sit.
So you're moving around too much. Okay.
Sit.
Hold it up so he'll sit.
Sit.
No, you're letting him get too close to you. Get him away from you.
Back up. Sit.
There. Now give him the treat because he did very good. That's at least something.
Roll.
His legs are facing the other way. He's already learning. Okay, now make him go the other direction. Roll. There you go. Slow. You gotta